What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT. Today we got a motorcycle stand from Vevor. We're gonna get this thing unboxed, set up, and ready to go. So as you can see from this owner's manual, there are really no instructions per se. They do tell you how to and where to place things, but there are no diagram instructions. Doesn't look too overly complicated, so we're gonna go ahead and get this thing fitted. Okay, so tools that we're gonna need. We're gonna need 17. And we're gonna need a 13. The 13 will go here, the 17 will go in for the wheels. And we're gonna make sure that we place this head of the bolt from the outside in. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead, get our parts out of here and get that situated there. So we have 4 washers, 2 for each. So what we're going to do, first step here, is we're going to take this bolt, I'm going to slide it here. We're going to put it through here first. I'm going to slide it through this section here. I'm going to put the other side on, put on that washer, and then go ahead and get that snug in place. Then we're going to repeat the same steps for the other side. Now for the wheels, what we're going to do with these, we're going to go ahead and place this through here. We're going to slide it through this section here. Put the other wheel here, get our washer, put it on the end, and then top it off with the nut. So want to make sure we don't tighten it too tight so that there's a little bit of slack so that the wheels will actually rotate. Okay, then we'll move on to the other bolts. All right, and once you get those snug, then you find the appropriate attachment for the one you're working on, which in this case looks like the front. Take these, take out the cotter pin, And then we slide these in. And there we have one of the fully assembled stands. Feels pretty good so far. All right, so all we have to do is finish the assembly on this, and we should be good to go. All right, and we are basically complete with the installation. I'll just go ahead and slide in these for the rear. So there we have it, two beautifully assembled Vevor motorcycle stands. So one point to call out here is I tried to put these on the rear, and it doesn't seem to be wide enough. So even though in the pictures the slim one looks like it's for the rear and the wider one looks like it's for the front, what we're going to actually do is swap these around and then try it out. Okay, now that I got these on, I can try it out and see if it actually will fit properly to the back side of the motorcycle. All right, so there we have it. There we have it. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so here is the rear setup for the motorcycle stand. So as you can see here, this is the wider stand, and this is the one that also happens to have the sticker on it, and we're pairing it with the one with the square tubing here. So whether you're going to use the spools or you're going to use these, make sure you get it set up on the wider setup so that you have enough space to maneuver and get everything set to lift up the rear of the bike. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to tilt it here. Then we're going to get down here. Since this is the first time, we're going to get this set to the right distance. Get that locked in. And then we can go ahead and raise it up. There we go. And then for the front side, same thing here, tilt it down. We'll spread these here, get them to the right distance, right onto the forks. Everything looks good. And then, after everything is in place, then you can go ahead and raise it up as well. All right, so there you have it. Nice, fully assembled Vevor motorcycle stand. Looks like it's gonna work good for the Grom. And that's a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.